I'm here to talk about some animals that you probably haven't heard of. Number 1, the Cape rain frog. The Cape rain frog, Brevicippi nervosus, is a type of frog in the Brevicippidae family. The Brevicippidae family is a family of rain frogs. It has 36 species and 5 genera. It's endemic to South Africa and Cape Town. The Cape rain frog lives underground. It usually comes out before rain. When the Cape rain frog gets scared, it inflates itself like a ball. The Cape rain frog is threatened. Number 2, tufted deer. The tufted deer, Alophotis celopholophus, is known for its tuft. It's known for its tuft on its head covering its antlers. The tufted deer is smaller than most deers. The tufted deer is also known for having fang-like canines for the males. Okay. Hi. I'm here to talk about the zebra, which is number 3 of the weird animals. The zebra is also known as Zedonc or Zorus, is a hybrid of a zebra and any other equine. The zebra has been bred since the 19th century.
Rolling. Rolling. Go.
Hi.
Sorry, do that again.